is ever seeking to manifest itself through you. Glorious power forever breathing through you and me. All right, please join me now. The one is ever seeking to manifest itself through you. Glorious power forever breathing through you and me.
So as we remain in consciousness on this most amazing day, it is so beautiful outside, and it's just as beautiful inside. It is so fabulous to be here, and I am reminded of why we're here. This is a celebration of the presence of Spirit. As I speak my word this morning, I invite each and every one of us to bring in and soak in and drink in and get this spiritual massage, the presence and the consciousness of Spirit within. And I'm setting the tone and the path for Reverend Laura to speak her message today on the power of surrender. And I know that surrender is accompanied by acceptance. And together, acceptance and surrender can and does change people's lives for the better each and every day, by paying attention and just keeping that in mind. All you have to do is keep it in mind. And so I'm going to keep these 5 P's here. I practice priorities, prayer, peace, patience, and positivity as I prepare and clear the way for Reverend Laura to stand up and speak her message. And I simply release and let that go. Rev?
All right, please join me now. The one is ever seeking to manifest itself through you. Glorious power forever breathing through you and me. The one